Hello guys, so how are you all? So I am here again with the new vacancy which is coming from IFFSCU. Okay, Indian Farmer Fertilizer Corporation Limited. Okay, so this is for graduate engineer apprentice. Okay, this is 1 year apprentice training, not like complete permanent job. Okay, but the stipend is very good, which is 35,000 per month. Okay, not very less like 1,000 or 10,000 or 15,000. So you get like a salary 35,000 per month. So this is a very good opportunity for all of you. Now let's discuss about the eligibility criteria. So for qualification you need to 4 year complete course of bachelor in engineering in any institute, okay, which is proved from UGC or AICTE, which all the universities are already verified from AICTE and UGC. Okay, so branches which are eligible are chemical, mechanical, electrical, instrumentation and civil. Okay, so all the major branches are already eligible, so you can apply. And the criteria, like OBC candidate had minimum percentage 60, ST/SC should be 55, and general and OBC should be 60. So this is not very much. You can already apply because everyone have at least 60% in their BTech and BE degree. Okay, so this is the main. And the candidate who passed between 2018 to, okay, so there are also candidate eligible who have passed in 2018. Okay, then after 2018 to till now, in August 2022, if your result is declared till August 2022, then you can apply, so that they are not hiring for a specific year like in 2022 or 2021. They are hiring for 2018 to 2020. So this is also a great news for the candidate who already passed in few years and not get any apprentice from anywhere. Okay, so this is. And the next is 1 year for the training period. You can see that there is mentioned that 1 year or more, or who has already applied anywhere or any doing anywhere their apprentice or job, they cannot apply there. Okay, this is already mentioned here. Okay, upper age limit, you can say that 30 years before 90 as the 31st 2022. Okay, then 3 to 5 year relaxation for OBC and ST/SC candidate, you can read. And I will also upload this document in the below the video in description box, so you can go and check. And the location, okay, job location where you can get is also a pan India, that anywhere in India you can get posted. Okay, training period here I already told you that it will be a 1 year. Okay, and after 1 year you cannot ask them to give the permanent job, because they are not. This is only apprentice job, and only 1 year of the thing will you get. Okay, the main thing, which is payment, 35,000 per month. You can see here clearly they mentioned that 35,000 per month stipend you get, which is as relevant as salary for a graduate engineer trainee in any private institution. Okay, so this is also very good opportunity. Selection criteria, okay, selection criteria, they will conduct their own test, okay, on the basis of CBT test. For example, they will take your technical and all the things, which will conducted on your home. Okay, not you have to not go to center and give exam. This you can give from your resources, your computer, laptop. Okay, and there is no any fees also. Okay, which I already told you that there is no any form fees, so you can easily apply this. Okay, and this is a complete notification which you can read. Okay, then after this there will be a medical test. Then you have to apply on this link. This is the official link. Okay, you can go there and apply, and last date is 15/8/2022. So this is a complete video on the graduate apprentice trainee, which is coming from the IFFCO. So this is also a very great opportunity for the freshers, so you can get and apply here. and you can also subscribe the channel for the these type of best update which I always uh, upload for the freshers only. And in thumbnail also I tell that which branches are eligible and for this is experience need or not, so that you cannot waste your time. Just see the thumbnail and you can see that this video is recording you or not. So this is the final of video. Okay, thank you all.